Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can disconnect your AirPods on your Apple ID. So in order to do that, you just need to be in your home screen, and after that, your AirPods is connected through Bluetooth. So if you just go on the control center and turn the Bluetooth option off as a whole, then your AirPods will be automatically disconnected. But if you only want to disconnect AirPods, then all you have to do is just tap on them and they will be disconnected. It's the same as when you need them to connect, you need to tap on them and they'll connect. And in order to disconnect them, you can just tap on them again and they'll disconnect, or you can just turn Bluetooth off. So guys, that's how you disconnect AirPods from your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.